Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So recently I have been a little less active on YouTube and there is an exciting reason behind this. I am really excited to share two good news with you guys today. First, I have been working really hard on something special for you guys, our own platform, jennyslectures.com. Yes, we are launching a brand new website where you will get structured courses on everything with doubt resolution support. And the best part, you know me and my teaching style very well, as we are a family of 1.7 million subscribers on YouTube. So you know me, you know my teaching style. I will be teaching you personally everything from basics to advanced level, so that cracking placements, interviews and internship will become easier for you guys. And you will stand apart from the crowd. And this brings me the second good news. We are going to launch our first course on our website, Mastering Data Structure and Algorithm with Java, for extreme beginner to advanced level. Yes, you heard it right. This will be a live plus recorded course starting from 19th of September at 8 p.m. Classes would be every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, plus one extra live doubt resolution class once a week. So this course is basically packed with everything you need. Complete Java language with the latest LTS version, JDK21, complete data structure and algorithm. You will get detailed notes, PDF of all the programs, as well as you will be using AI tools to enhance your coding experience throughout this course. Plus, we will be working on some projects, discussing some real world case studies, assignments, quizzes, placement questions and much more. And after completion of this course, you will get a completion certificate. And that's not it. We offer you a 100% refund, no questions asked, within the first week of enrollment in case you change your mind. So you must be thinking, why did I create this course? Everything is available on YouTube, right? But on YouTube, it's not in structured way. The courses are not in structured way. Plus, there is no doubt resolution support dedicatedly, right? And maybe you are watching one video, the next video might not come up, or you get easily distracted by some other content or by some other videos. So like this, how will you ace your placements? How you will get your dream offer? So with this course, you just invest a little bit and just give me your 6 months. Just 6 months, all it takes to take you from zero to expert. This is not a crash course. I will cover everything in detail. Those who know my teaching style and those who know me, they know I cover each and every concept in detail, from extreme beginner to advanced level. So after these 6 months, you will see yourself at a whole new level. So don't let any more days go to waste, whether you are in first year, second year, third year or final year, or just pass out or just 12th pass. The sooner you start learning coding, the better. And I have designed this course like this. Even a 12th pass student can take this course. This is from extreme beginner to advanced level. I will cover here everything. And the course validity is of 2 years. So you can watch all the videos at your own pace whenever it suits you. Plus, we are offering an early bird discount also for the first 500 students, extra 10% discount. So with this special discount offer, it will cost you only 375 rupees per month. So this is once in a lifetime opportunity. Don't miss out. The link is in the description as well as in the pinned comment. I'm really excited to have you on board and start this journey together. If you have more doubt, you can just ask me in comment section, right? And please do share this video in your groups, college with your college friends on Facebook, so that maximum students can get benefit from this opportunity, right? So now that's it. I'll see you in the course on 19th of September. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.